Hello everyone! Today, I will be presenting the Bac Florion. The Bac Florion is located on the Gaspé Peninsula, which is usually known for the famous Percy Rock. However, the Bac Florion is an underrated tourist attraction that deserves much more attention. First of all, the Bac Florion is one of the best places to observe wildlife. Throughout the park, you can see birds, bears, moose, and many more amazing animals in their natural habitat. It is also possible to go whale watching in the Bac Florion, which is an experience like none other. The Bac Florion is also an excellent place to go hiking. There are so many beautiful trails available for hikers, and the trails rank from easy to expert, which means that there's something for everyone, whether you're an experienced hiker or a beginner. And no matter the trail, the views are breathtaking. The Bac Florion is also one of the best places to learn about Gaspé's history. There's a historical center where you can immerse yourself in the beginning of the 1900s for a day. Finally, the Bac Florion is the perfect place to go camping. There are different campgrounds for tents and trailers, and once again, the views do not disappoint. I hope you enjoyed this presentation and that you will get a chance to visit Gaspé and the Bac Florion soon. Thank you!